Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we will see, this is DBMS class and my name is Tesu Gaurav Singh, and today we will see data manipulation language DML command, delete command. Inside DML command we have delete command, update command and insert command. Okay, and we learn about rollback, commit and save point and optimistic locking. There we'll see some difference between drop and delete. Basically drop is not the part of DML command, drop is part of DDL command. But although we will see what is data manipulation language. If we want to manipulate the value of data, then we can see it is data manipulation language. Okay, in data manipulation language, to change the values or domains of table, we can use delete, update or insert command. Earlier we have seen the insert command. To insert the values, by using that DML command we can change the domain values. Okay, there are two things, schema and domains. What do you mean by schema? Name of table, number of columns and type of column come under the schema. Okay, so we can change the structure of table, okay, by using DDL command, that comes under the data definition language. But in data manipulation language we learn about deleting the value, updating the value and inserting the value, that are domains. Okay, so this is difference between domain and schema. So in DML command we learn about the domains, and we will learn about rollback command, commit command and save point command. Okay, just see through the examples. Okay, here let's clear the screen. Okay, here if I want to see the ACMP table, then I can write select star from ACMP. Here is my ACMP table where commission equals to 30 for department number 20. Okay, so I can change that value. Okay, and I can change it to update. I change it through update command. Update ACMP set commission equals to 80. Okay, where department number equals to 20. Okay, two rows updated, and here we can see select star from ACMP. So this is our table ACMP, and commission has been updated from 30 to 80 for department number 20. Okay, consequently we can make another changes, okay, in any of the column as per our requirement. Okay, suppose I will not give where clause. Okay, suppose I will not give where clause. What does it happen? Select update ACMP set commission equals to 50 where if I am not giving that where clause. Okay, I am just giving update ACMP set commission equals to 50. Update ACMP set commission equals to 50. 9 rows updated. Now try to see, select star from ACMP. For all the rows commission has been set to 50. So if I am not giving any condition, okay, if I am not giving any condition, it will update the whole values. Okay, consequently let's see the delete command, how we use delete command. Okay, suppose I want to delete some particular rows. Okay, so delete ACMP where DEPT number is equals to 20. Okay, delete ACMP where DEPT number equals to 20. So here two rows has been deleted. Okay, To see the value, select star from ACMP. Here we can see that 2 rows has been previously defined, 2 rows has been deleted. Okay, so delete ACMP where department number equals to 20, so that particular rows has been deleted. Okay, so let's try to do with delete. If I will not write where clause, delete ACMP. Okay, and I am now not writing where clause, delete ACMP. Just write delete ACMP and try to see. Okay, 7 rows have been updated. Now see, select star from ACMP, no rows has been selected. So we can see that all values has been deleted of ACMP table. But if I will write DESC SEMP describe ACMP, here we can see the description of table. Okay, the description of table is available there, but no rows are there in this row. Okay, in this value. So if I want to get back these values into ACMP table, we have option, we have rollback command with us. Okay, for that we can use rollback command. Okay, ROLLBACK, rollback command. Okay, so rollback complete. Now see, select star from ACMP. Here all the values has been rolled back as it was in his previous. Okay, so when we use rollback command, it is just like undo command in our Microsoft Office. It will roll back all the transaction we have done till this session. Okay, in this session we have done all DML command has been rolled back. Okay, so rollback command, commit command works only for the DML command. Okay, so all the rollback and commit command works for the DML command. DML command means insert, update and delete command. Okay, it doesn't work for the DDL command. Okay, it does not make any changes for the DDML command. Why? Because when we give any DDL command, commit command is called automatically. What is commit command? Just see, to fix some value we use commit command. Okay, just see some reflections. Suppose this is our table, and if I want to make some changes over commission. Okay, so for that clear screen first. Okay, so for that use update command, update ACMP set commission equals to 80 where department number equals to 20. Okay, so we have updated 2 rows. Now see the value, select star from ACMP. Okay, we have successfully updated two values of commission. Okay, now here if I will give commit command, okay, then both values has been fixed. Okay, now if I will try to say rollback. Okay, if I will try to say rollback, okay, so it is not going to be rollback. Okay, select star from ACMP, it is still 80 now. Okay, so rollback command is used till the last committed value. Okay, rollback command is used till the last committed value. Okay, before last committed value. Now we can give some save points for the rollback. Okay, suppose I have done 30 transaction. Okay, I have done 20 withdrawal and 20 deposits. Okay, and I want to fix some transaction. Suppose last 10 transaction, last 20 transaction, I want to make it as committed. Okay, I want to make it as fixed. So for that I can use save point till particular points I want to be fixed my DML command. I want to fix the values of my table. Okay, for that I can use DML command. for that I can use shape points. Okay, so how to use shape points? Okay, we can make different shape points, and up to particular shape points we can make changes. Okay, and make sure we remember that every rollback or shape point is work, okay, for just after the last committed command. Okay, so we have seen some example of commit command and rollback command previously. When we close that application, when we close our application, Oracle application, okay, with cross button. Okay, when we close our Oracle application with cross button, when we close our Oracle application with cross button, okay, when we close our Oracle application with this cross button, then rollback command is called automatically. Okay, so to fix that we use here is exit command. Okay, so to come out from the Oracle, I use here is exit command. Okay, so what basically does, when we cross our application through this cross button, rollback command is called automatically. But when we close our application through exit command, the commit command is called automatically. Okay, when we create our table, commit command has been called automatically. When we do any DDL command, commit command has been called automatically. Okay, so manually when we do commit or rollback command, it works only for the DML commands. Okay, so let's see the use of shape point, how we can make some shape points. Okay, suppose I want to have some transactions. Okay, and I want to update some values. Okay, update on ACMP table. Okay, so update ACMP, set commission equals to 66, where department number equals to 20. I have done update command. Okay, where department number equals to 20. Okay, and I have done update command. 2 rows have been updated. Okay, now make shape point. Okay, shape point, okay, XYZ. Okay, give any name of your choice. I am giving XYZ. Okay, shape point has been created. Okay, now let's update again. Okay, now update ACMP, set commission equals to 88, commission equals to 88, where department number equals to 40. Okay, now let's see, 2 rows has been updated again. Okay, now let's see the values. Select star from ACMP. These are the values we have updated. 66, first I have updated 66 and I have given shape point XYZ, and I have given and I have updated that 88. Okay, now let's try to update, now try to roll back to point XYZ. Okay, so first clear the screen. Okay, now roll back to point XYZ. Roll back to XYZ. Rollback complete. Okay, now let's see the value. Select star from ACMP. Here we can see that last transaction till XYZ has been rollback, and above the XYZ we have done some update command that has not been rollback. Okay, so we can make n number of shape points. Okay, we can make one shape point, we can make two shape points as per our choice. So this is shape point. Let's try to make another shape point. Okay, now make shape point. Okay, PQR. Okay, shape point created. Okay, now give some update command. Okay, update ACMP set commission equals to 88, where department number equals to 40. Okay, now give another shape point ABC. Okay, shape point created. Okay, now give some another update commission equals to 99, where department number equals to 10. Okay, so we have done some updates. Okay, now here I can give another shape point. Okay, now shape point LMN. Okay, shape point LMN. Okay, now we have created multiple shape points over there. We have created PQR, we have created first PQR, then I have created ABC, then I have created LMN. Okay, now try to delete some values. Okay, so try to delete. Okay, ACMP. Okay, where okay, delete ACMP where salary is less than 40,000. Okay, delete ACMP where salary is less than 40,000. Okay, actually this is salary column, name is not sal, actually it is salary, where salary is less than 40,000. 4 rows updated. Now see the reflection. Okay, select star from ACMP. Before looking at that, just keep in mind, first we have given shape point PQR, then we have given shape point ABC. Okay, we have updated some values. Okay, first we have given shape point PQR, then shape point ABC. Okay, then shape point LMN. Okay, so just remember that, just write that in our notepad for our so that we can recall that. First we have given shape point ABC. Okay, Control C, Control V, shape point PQR. Okay, first let's see, first we have given shape point PQR, sorry, first we have given shape point PQR. Okay, then we have given shape point ABC. Okay, then we have given shape point LMN. Okay, then we have given shape point LMN. Okay, and we have deleted the value. Okay, now if we want, we can give another shape points. Okay, select star from ACMP. Okay, so values has been deleted. Or delete ACMP where salary is less than 40,000. So all the details of all the employee whose salary is less than 40,000 has been deleted over there. Okay, 4 rows has been deleted. Delete SEMP where salary is less than 40,000. So it deleted all the values. Now make another save point. Save point. Save point DEF. Okay, now give save point DEF. So save point created. Now we have given save point DEF. Save point DEF. And what transaction we have done? After save point PQR we have done, okay, we have done some updation. Okay, we have done some updation. Rollback complete. Okay, after rollback we have created PQR. Okay, now after PQR we set commission equals to 88. So after PQR we set commission equals to 88. Okay, next after ABC, after PQR, after ABC we set commission equals to 99. Okay, after ABC we set commission equals to 99. Okay, and after LMN, we have done 4 rows deleted. Okay, so after LMN we have done 4 rows deleted. Now suppose I want to save point up to that particular point ABC. So is it possible that I want to undo the 4 rows deleted and I want to undo the commission has been set to 99 and let it be commission equals to 88 will be remain the same. Okay, so I want to roll back to point ABC. Okay, so automatically LMN and DEF will be rolled back automatically. Okay, just look at that. Okay, just look at that and clear the screen first. Clear the screen first. Okay, now I want to roll back to which point? I want to roll back to ABC. Okay, so roll back to ABC. Okay, rollback completed. Okay, now let's see. Select star from SEMP. Here we can see it is 66. Okay, it has been rolled back to point ABC. Okay, it has been rolled back to point ABC. Okay, so we can see the value 88 has been remained the same. That 88 commission has been remained the same and all the deleted has been rolled back. Okay, and all other commands has been rolled back. And if we roll back, what happened here? If we roll back up to point ABC, okay, after that we have given some save point has been cleared automatically. Okay, so after giving rollback to some particular save point, all the save point after that has been cleared automatically. Okay, we are sustained with save point PQR, but we do not have that save points. Okay, after giving commit command, all the save points has been cleared automatically. Okay, so if I will try to roll back, if I will try to roll back to LMN, say this is giving us save point 11 never established because it is cleared automatically. Okay, So if I want to give rollback PQR, okay, rollback to PQR, this is possible because it is not clear. Rollback completed, and here we can see select star from ACMP 88 has been now updated. Okay, but if I will give commit command, okay, if after giving some commit command, all the save point has been cleared. Okay, now here if we will give any previously remained rollback point, save point, so it will give same error like element never established. So all save points has been cleared after giving the commit command. Okay, so this is the use of rollback command and commit command, save point command. Okay, so when we delete any table, delete EMP, so all the domain values has been deleted. But if I drop the table, okay, if I drop the table, then the schema of table, the structure of table will be deleted, so it will not be available on tab also. Okay, let's see any table. Select star from tab, we have table, okay, xyzw_1, we have table xyzw_1. Try to drop that table, drop xyzw_1, so it will delete the domain value as well as schema value. Okay, invalid drop option, drop xyzw_1, drop table name. The command is, syntax is drop table name. Okay, so here we can see table has been dropped. Okay, table has been dropped. Now if I want to see the schema of table, okay, so xyzw_1 has been dropped. Okay, that has been removed from system tab. Okay, so this is difference between delete command and drop command. Through drop command the schema has been deleted, and through delete command only the domain value has been deleted. So if we give delete command, the values will be deleted, but if we give drop command, the schema, the structure of table will also be deleted. Okay, so thank you for watching. That's all for today. To exit from that window we must use exit command. Okay.